Hello, good day. Today we are going through the Bacillus bacteria. It is new wastewater treatment solution using Bacillus bacteria. This solution uses special bacillus that we found suitable for wastewater treatment among a number of such species existing in nature. This allows existing wastewater treatment facilities to reduce the electrical power cost for aeration and sludge disposal cost without the need for large scale modification or extension of the facilities. The sludgeless wastewater treatment system has a magnetic separator that separates sludge by magnetic force, achieving significant space saving and a better treatment performance. In an application example for factory wastewater treatment, the new wastewater treatment solution reduces the running cost by 20% and the sludgeless wastewater treatment by 25%. The conventional activated sludge process is a method to use microorganisms suspended in wastewater to take in the pollutants and purify the wastewater and then have the microorganisms settle and remove them. Since the microorganisms require oxygen to decompose the pollutants, they take in air injection with a blower is necessary for the wastewater to increase concentration of the dissolved oxygen in the wastewater to the level required by the microorganisms. Moreover, the microorganisms decompose the pollutants to grow and propagate, and they need to discharge the agglomeration of excessive propagated microorganisms out of the system. The discharged excess is treated as industrial waste. There are many bacillus species existing in nature, and some of them have a high wastewater purification ability to decompose highly concentrated organic substances in a short time and also secrete a large quantity of enzymes that can decompose as excess sludge. By finding such a species and using it as a bacillus for wastewater treatment, our R&D has managed to both reduce running cost and improve the performance of wastewater treatment. The significant benefits are reduce your running cost. Electricity cost for aeration can be reduced by 10% to 40% compared with conventional methods. Second, sludge disposal cost can be reduced by 20% to 40% compared with conventional methods. 3. Chemical agent cost can be reduced by 10% to 20% compared with conventional methods. Second, improved your treatment performance. The capacity for addressing fluctuation in the quality of the wastewater that flows into the facility can be expanded. This provides a better treatment performance compared with the conventional methods and improves water quality. Foul odors can be suppressed to improve the surrounding environment and the work environment. Easy introduction, maintenance, and management. Large scale capital investment is unnecessary because the wastewater treatment using bacillus can reduce sludge production and aeration volume without the need for alteration or extension to existing wastewater treatment facilities and equipments. The operation starts by pouring bacillus into an existing bioreactor. This is required for the first time only. After that, the operator needs only to add a small amount of bacteria daily in order to retain the dominance and performance of the bacillus. Retaining the number of bacillus that exceeds about 100 times the initial number. Another specialty of Bacillus bacteria is Bacillus is one of the facultative anaerobic bacteria that can live with a low amount of dissolved oxygen. The conventional activated sludge process uses Bacillus existing extensively in activated sludge. The bacillus for wastewater treatment can purify pollution components with less amount of oxygen. This allows the blower to operate with lower air volume, resulting in a reduction in the electricity cost for aeration. So, as we described above, the bacillus used in this system secretes a large quantity of enzymes that decompose sludge. The amount of these enzymes increases with the concentration of bacillus. Consequently, when the sludge concentration, that means MLSS, in the bioreactor is increased to enhance the concentration of the bacillus of this system, the amount of sludge decomposing enzymes secreted by bacillus increases to effectively treat the sludge that has increased due to the biological treatment of pollutants. This promotes the decomposition of the sludge, allowing the operation to produce no sludge. Please contact me for more clarification and technical assistance. Thank you.